Adi!
Andrei, vină până aici.
Yeah?
Nie problemu.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, great. I'm going also to them to ask them to help us.
Uite front line. Okay.
Go out, but don't do a lot of movement. Okay, will be okay. Bună ziua și vă mulțumim că sunteți aici și că ați ales să petreceți această după-amiază alături de noi. Dar probabil că vă întrebați cine suntem noi. Vă întrebați? Da? Ei, noi suntem, eu sunt Iuliana și el este Adi și o să fim Joker, că cred că vedeți așa scris pe noi. O să fim niște personaje speciale, puțin diferite de jokerii clasici pe care știți de la cărțile de joc. Nu o să facem tot felul de jumbușlucuri în fața voastră, ci o să vă ajutăm să găsim împreună niște soluții pentru... First scene.
Prima scenă, în parc, la locul de joacă.
Honey, can you give me the tomatoes, please?
Yes, here you are, Daddy.
Thank you very much.
Oh, big one.
Daddy, can I go over there and play with this, please?
Okay, go, but don't go so far away.
Okay, thank you.
I can't believe how he did this to me. He just sent the text to finish it. I didn't want to see my man.
He's a jerk. If you don't deserve this, I will find your better one.
Amy? Amy? Did you see what's going on there? There's some people who are doing good stuff. What? Let's go and ask them. Hey. Stop. What are you doing here?
Don't disturb us. We need to work. You built a great hotel here.
What are you talking about? That's not a present I help want. How can you do this?
You can't interrupt us. If you have a problem, you can talk to the mayor.
Let's go and talk to Daddy and then to the mayor. Come on.
A doua scenă, biroul primarului.
Yeah. Okay. So, what will be my share if you get permission?
I could build a house, a brand new house, only for you, on an excellent seaside resort in Antalya in Turkey, if you let us continue our constructions on the playground.
Okay, dear. But I have conviction. You need to begin construction process today, because I want it to take a long.
Of course, we will begin the construction at no time.
Okay.
See you.
I saw some guys in the playground who are doing some weird stuff and dig in the playground.
Really?
Yes, something.
So we can go out to the mayor and ask about it.
Okay.
Don't worry, come on.
Come here.
Hello? Can we talk
Okay.
up?
Okay, see.
Hello? Can we talk about something important, please?
Okay, but I don't have much time. I am busy.
I just wanted to ask you if you have any information about the hotel construction in the park. You know, it is very important for us and all the up. That is the only place where we can breathe and relax in.
Listen, it should be cancelled
Yes, I
immediately.
understand.
I want to
Yes,
play. That's
shut
the
up.
only place where
Shut
I
up.
can find another one.
Yes, I understand. I know. What is good for my town? We need this hotel urgently. Did you understand me?
No. You just care about
Hey,
your own
calm
pocket.
down,
If you
Amy.
want it so much, then build it in another
Hey,
place.
Lina.
But
Hey,
you're not
Lina.
listening to me.
Calm
Hey,
down.
Daddy,
Lina.
Daddy, say something.
Why don't you
Hey,
listen to
Lina.
us? You're a crick.
Daddy.
I am fed up with this kind of thing.
We may look for another solution, don't worry.
A treia scenă, în cartier, protest.
Stop destroying! Stop destroying! Stop destroying! Stop destroying! Stop destroying!
We really need to do something about this.
What can we do?
We can protest and also let's talk to the neighbors. Yeah.
But I don't know if it will work.
I'm sure it will.
Okay, let's try.
Hey. Could you help us with making a petition for the destruction of this process?
Yes, I want to help, but I can't. I don't want to get in trouble with the police. They won't listen to us, even if we do something.
But we must do something.
I'm sorry, but there's nothing we can do for you.
But you're having fun here too. Why don't you help us?
Don't insist anymore.
Okay, honey, you see that nobody wants to take the
Let's have a cup of
responsibility even if they need it.
But Daddy!
Forget about them. We can protest on ourselves. Let's go.
Stop destroying! Stop
A patra scenă, la locul de joacă.
destroying! Stop destroying! Stop destroying! Stop!
Stop destroying, man. Stop. You're scared. Why don't you do something?
What can we do now?
What can we do?
We should do something. We really need to do something.
Şeyimiz yapalım.
Stop. Please stop. I disagree with this process. If you keep on working on this destruction, I will never leave here and I won't eat anything.
Yes.
That is what mean to you. Why do you ignore them?
Why?
They help us. Please.
Stop destroying! Stop destroying! Stop!
Yes, Baxter. You see a young person who is trying to save playground for the sake of her friends and herself. Yes, tell us, why you are here?
I'm here to protest against the destruction of this playground because that is the only place where my friends and I have fun and have picnic and swing.
Yes.
This place is very important for us. You, please say something too. Come on.
I'm just here to do my duty.
And what kind of
This
journalist
is all
you
I
are?
can. This is all I can do.
Want to do anything, Gidger? Want to say something? Daddy.
Okay, forget about it.
Stop destroying! Stop destroying! Stop destroying! Stop destroying! Stop destroying!
What are you doing here?
We are protesting the hotel construction here. We want it to stop immediately.
Why are protesting? They are doing their job.
Their jobs?
Yes, they have permission. Yes, they have permission for the mayor.
What permission are you talking about? They're destroying our playground, for God's sake.
Okay, I'm seeing your effort, but this is my last warning. If you don't, I will
No,
arrest you,
we
okay?
will not stop.
Well, won't you let me speak
Stop
up?
destroying!
Why can't you make my voice heard?
I have nothing to do.
Stop destroying!
Okay?
But I have something to do. Stop
Destroying! Stop destroying! Stop destroying!
Okay, we will go, okay. We will not protest.
How? You don't?
Okay, we are going, okay, don't worry.
Don't
Okay.
do this! Please help us!
How?
No, honey, okay, we have to go. You see, we cannot do anything. You have to forget about the park.
But that...
You should give up.
So, am I to blame now for participating? For protesting? Did I do something bad? I just tried to protect my rights for the sake of you. But nobody listened to me, you know. But for my friends, the neighbors, they didn't listen to me. The journalist, he didn't listen to me either. The policeman, he preferred to do his job. And the mayor, he preferred to bribe. And what did I get? Nothing. Will I participate again? No. Nobody will listen to me. I see. Youth has no meaning among the society. We have no importance. So, okay, I accept. I am defeated. Youth has defeated. I am defeated. I give up.
Așa, tatăl și copilul sunt la un picnic și
Să apare cineva și vrea să achiziționeze acel teren ca să gândească o vilă sau un hotel. Da?
un hotel, să construiască un hotel.
Și oamenii au vrut.
Copiii protestează, tinerii protestează, îi ascultă cineva, nu îi ascultă nimeni. Nici vecinii, toată lumea spune nu ne băgăm, nu se poate schimba nimic, totul... Și polițistul la fel, este plătit de primărie și știe că o mulțime de soluții. Credeți că mai poate fi?
For your attending our performance.
Și vreau să vă mulțumesc pentru ospitalitate și pentru faptul că ați venit aici și la spectacolul nostru.
I like this place very much.
Îmi place acest loc foarte, foarte mult.
Hey, my name is Cristina and I'm from Bulgaria.
Numele meu este Cristina și sunt din Bulgaria.
I want to say to you that all of us worked very hard for this play, and we are so grateful and thankful and happy to see that you're here and you're with us. And thank you.
Vreau să vă mulțumesc foarte mult pentru că noi am muncit foarte mult pentru această piesă și vă mulțumim că ați venit astăzi aici și că ați venit cu atâtea idei. Mulțumesc!
Hello, I am Aycan from Turkey. We are not good actors. We are not actors actually. Like you, we are amateur. We just want to make the people about sensitive with community public problems. Thank you for watching in this rainy weather. Mulțumesc!
El este din Turcia și vă mulțumesc foarte mult. Nici ei nu sunt actori, sunt doar au muncit și se bucură că ați fost implicați și ați găsit atâtea soluții. Și vă mulțumesc!
My name is Teresa and I'm from Bulgaria.
Sunt Teresa și sunt în Bulgaria.
Thank you for that you're here.
Mulțumim că sunteți aici.
Hello. My name is Mehmet. I am from Turkey.
Numele meu este Mehmet și sunt din Turcia.
Batmire.
Nu este un...
Boldness.
și vă mulțumesc. El nu este un primar rău. A fost doar un rol.
My name is Mila and I'm from Bulgaria.
Numele meu este Mila și sunt din Bulgaria.
I'm really happy that we're here and you're here and then that you took part in our little play and we're really satisfied with our work and that's all.
Sunt foarte bucuroasă că sunteți aici și vă mulțumesc